What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right here we have this G37 sports sedan that is going to be getting a full transformation. So we're going to be doing color change, coilovers, and then a bunch of other goodies as well that's going to be going on the car. So this car is going to get a full transformation on it. For now, what we're going to be starting with is the coilover install, camber arms. Make sure that's all settled in before we get started on the wrap, because definitely don't want to get started on the wrap and then we end up damaging the wrap installing coilovers or something. So better to save the wrap for last. But for now, this is how the car's looking like. Basically completely stock. Nothing's done to it yet. Here we have BC coilovers, true coilovers in the rear as well. So the spring is actually on the shock, not the bucket. So these are true coilovers from BC. You guys can have it. So you guys can see BC Racing, true coilovers. And then we got Kinetics upper camber arms for the front, toe arms, camber arms for the rear, and toe arms for the front. And then we got carbon fiber lip spoiler for the trunk, and then we got a roof spoiler as well. Car up on the jacks, but we're not going to be doing a how-to on the BC coilovers, guys. I've done a video about these before in the past, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll leave a link in the description below. But for now, we're going to cue the time lapse, get started on the install. All right, so we finally got this thing down to the right height that we wanted. So this thing is gonna be low, but not too low. Just getting rid of the wheel gap. As you guys can see, 1 finger wheel gap. So it's not too low. Again, just to get rid of the wheel gap. So we did put the front camber arms, rear camber arms, and rear toe arms, but car definitely needs an alignment in the rear. So you guys can see the wheels kind of bent, like instead of being straight, it's kind of like tilted. So we're gonna have to take this to get an alignment. But for now, we're stripping it apart, give it a wash, clay bar, and we'll get started on wrap. I just finished up.
For YouTube?
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. It was a surprise for her too. She's like, she started walking. I was like, damn. I was still looking down on my phone too. I'm not.
Yeah. Just finished up.
All done?
Yeah.
Cool, bro.
Just-
Damn, you got done, bro. Sorry to pressure you, bro. I didn't mean to pressure you.
No, you're fine. Yeah. Just finished up. Literally just like wiped it down right now too. Like you like the final wipe down. But that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation on this G37. Coilovers, camber arms, tow arms, and full color change. But again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.